So, you know what we're doing? We're just walking in circles. Just waiting. Just waiting to get some footage of the rice cooking. In a closed container where you can't even see anything. You know what? As soon as we make this last circle, that should be enough of stupid, worthless footage.
We went the wrong way.
I don't care. Does it look like I care, Max? Wow.
1 minute of time lapsing.
Hi, welcome to Cooking with Grant. Today we'll try not to burn stuff. So we're just gonna let the rice cook for like 20 minutes. There we go, rice. Can you get that? Anyway, that's gonna take like forever. Where's the beef? Oh no, Max. I'm stirring the beef, Max. I'm stirring the beef. I cut this beef and now I'm stirring it. In a marinade. Here is red bell peppers and green onions.
I don't see any green stuff in there.
Bottom, Max. Bottom. See? Anyway, we got a whole buttload of carrots. Just like. We also have real peppers and lots of garlic. Lots and lots of garlic. Oh, look at all the leftover peppers. Look at those leftover peppers. What? The carrot's good, Max. Oh, should we start superheating? Should we start superheating?
I don't think the rice has even come to a boil yet, so probably
No, okay.
not.
Well, we'll come back to you with like cooking show magic when it is ready, okay? Definitely not reclaimed peanut oil from McDonald's. I mean nothing. So we'll just like, just leave that there and make Max eat like a really spicy pepper.
Wait, what? No, I never agreed to this. This is not on my... Quality content. Wait, did he just take a bite of raw beet?
That was a carrot, Max. That was a carrot. Where's my sauce? Oh, here's my disgusting looking sauce.
It smells really good.
It smells really good.
But you can't smell this because
Because it's not 4D cinema, boys. Oh yeah, here's this disgusting stuff. Look at how disgusting this stuff looks. It smells bad too.
But you can't smell because we aren't in 4D. Oh, whoa.
Whoa, whoa, wubble up a dub dub! Wubble up a dub dub! Wubble up a dub dub! It's like soapy in there. Should we just like put this here and let it do
No,
that?
put it on. We'll just turn it down to simmer. Okay. No problem.
Cooking with Grant.
Didn't realize carrots help with my anxiety. There's my flipping carrot. What the flip was it doing that?
I will be the greatest president that God ever created.
Speaker holes.
Rice. Okay. So, we're going to turn this baby down.
Time for things to get interesting.
It is time for things to get interesting with Grant Williams.
A new segment.
Turn it up. Somebody save your soul, cause you've been sinning in the city. I know too many troubles, all these lovers got you losing control. You like a drug to me, a luxury, my sugar and gold. I want the good life every good night, you're a high one to hold. Cause you don't even know I can make your hands clap. Said I can make your hands clap. Somebody save your soul, cause you've been sinning in the city. I know too many troubles, all these lovers got you losing control. You like a drug to me, a luxury, my sugar and gold. I want your sex and your affection when they're holding you close. Cause you don't even know I can make your hands clap.
Are we we live streaming this to Facebook?
Said I can make your hands clap. Every night when the stars come out, am I the only living soul around? Need to believe you could hold me down, 'cause I'm in need of something good right now. We could be screaming till the sun comes out, and when we wake we'd be the only sound. Get on my knees and say a prayer, change round. That I can make your hands clap.
We're gonna lay the plates down. Anyway.
That I can make your hands clap. That I can make your hands clap. My flesh is searching for your worst and best, don't ever deny. I'm like a stranger, give me danger, all you're wrong and you're right. Secrets on my way to the freeway, you're a keeper of crime. Still no conviction, grips of wrath can only sweeten your wine. But you don't even know I can make your hands clap. Said I can make your hands clap. Every night.
And as we dish up the final plate, we will place it on the table.
When the stars come out, am I the only living soul around?
Bring in our guest judges.
Oh, hey.
So, wonderful food. You sit there. And Max. Do you know where you sit?
Yeah.
Right here.
Out there?
Yeah. I'll sit here. So, how do you like it?
I haven't tasted it yet.
Go ahead.
Oh, this smells so good.
That's delicious.
This is the
Huh?
this is the best thing ever.
And
this is not a
really
joke.
delicious.
I don't like Chinese food, and this is amazing. The way better than hibachi.
So, verdict.
This is amazing.
What do you think, Mom?
I think it's fantastic.
1 out of 10?
Yeah.
10.
50, and that's not a joke.
So, that will do it, and see you in the next one.